Tired of searching 5 different apps just to book one service? Whether it's a haircut, a house cleaner, or a dog groomer, it's always a hassle. WorkWell changes that. WorkWell is the all-in-one app that helps you find, book, and pay trusted local service providers all in one place. Need a mobile barber, a personal trainer, a reliable handyman? WorkWell connects you to over 100 services with verified professionals nearby, quickly and easily. No hidden fees, no chasing leads. Just clients ready to book. And if you're a provider, WorkWell helps you grow without the marketing headaches. No upfront costs, just bookings that pay fast. Manage your schedule, showcase your work, and get discovered by clients ready to book. Whether you're looking for a service or offering one, WorkWell puts the local economy in your hands. Work smarter. Book local. Work well.